Trust MF Flexi Cap Fund NFO. Should this NFO be a part of your investment portfolio or should you look for other investment opportunities? Let's find out by doing a detailed analysis in this video. Trust MF Flexi Cap Fund NFO is open till 19th April 2024. Now, what a Flexi Cap Fund mean? Flexi Cap Fund is the fund that allows the fund manager the flexibility to invest in small, mid, and large cap funds in desired proportion. Now, let's start by analyzing some of the key features of this Trust MF Flexi Cap Fund. It uses Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. The fund is managed by Akash Mangani. There's no entry load for this fund. Its investment objective is to generate capital appreciation by dynamically investing in a mix of equity-related instruments across market capitalization, which includes large, mid, and small cap stocks. The minimum investment amount is Rs 1,000. If investor redeems before 3 months, then 1% exit load will be charged. Now let's discuss the Trust Me Flexi Cap Fund strategies. It intends to invest in equity-related securities of small, mid and large cap companies. It aims to generate alpha through right selection and right allocation. It aims to invest across market capitalization by providing better flexibility to investors. The fund manager has been offered the flexibility to change the weightage given to large cap, mid cap and small cap during any time in their portfolio. Now let's see what are the benefits of this Trust MF Flexi Cap Fund NFO. It enables investors with long-term capital growth potential. It helps investors have better diversification. Investors are able to take advantage of the changing market cycles. It has the overall potential to deliver inflation-beating returns in the long run. Let us discuss the potential demerits of this Trust MF Flexi Cap Fund NFO. This fund is a riskier fund option for short-term investors. It is not suitable for a conservative investor as it is highly volatile. It does not have any portfolio, so it is hard for an investor to analyze the risk and return potential. Since it does not have any track record, it is hard for an investor to predict the fund's future performance. So far, I hope we have covered all the key aspects of this Trust MF Flexi Cap Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should you as an investor look to invest in this fund or avoid this? If you are a conservative investor, then you must avoid this fund until it builds a good and stable portfolio with a good track record. If you are a beginner to investment, then you should invest in flexi-cap funds which has consistently performed and has a good track record. If you are an aggressive investor, then you can invest with spare money on an experiment basis. But still, it is advisable to consult a financial planner before investing, as the financial planner will be able to guide you on these 4 key aspects, that is investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation part. So it is always advisable to consult a financial planner before making any investment decisions. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.